We have some cool little updates to talk about, so I don't want to waste your time. Leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and we jump straight onto the laptop. The first thing first is the NotePay airdrop. Now, as we see here, it seems like there's gonna be a new airdrop coming soon. We have the snapshot taken soon, so let's see. Let's see how it goes. Make sure to go and check out and just be a little bit active if the airdrop is soon over on your NotePay. Keep it active, do your tasks, go to the missions, go to the earnings. If you want to sign up, you can still do it. Season 5 has begun, so the snapshot, in my opinion, will be taken at the end of Season 5. So you can still go and grab your fair share of airdrops, so make sure to go and participate. And that is it. Simple, a soon to be snapshot. Next up, we have a very important competition over on Wix, which you know I used to trade in. And we got this one, which it is a massive competition for so many prizes. So we got progress of total depositing and future trading as a team. So everybody that sign up, or if you already are a part of Wix under my referral link, make sure to go and join this. We got dollar amount 100, 200, 500 giveaways. Then we got 3 million in trading bonus, 8 million. We got AirPods, we got Nintendo Switch, we got iPhones, iPads, Rolex, and also a nice juicy Ferrari if you do get to 3 billion in trading volume, which is a lot. But if you are the one to have the money and you're watching my video, go and win yourself a Ferrari. Just need to do 3 billion in trading, which can simply be I guess a 1 million at a 100x or a 1 million at a 400x open and close position in the blink of an eye. I guess, I don't know, I'm no financial advisor, but anyway, there are a lot of possibilities. So if you do want to trade on Wix, link down below, make sure to join this competition. Next up, we have a claiming of the airdrop, and this is the Dolomite airdrop. As you see here, airdrop claims are now open. Our pool on Kodiak Fi is now live. So the link will be down below. This is the redirecting link. Make sure to go and accept the terms, read everything through, accept the terms, click on I agree or disagree, connect your wallet. And if you have the possibility to be able to go and claim over here, then you will have the possibility to go and participate in the airdrop here. Navigate to all the pages, any poster, etc. But we see here that the pair has been shining, staking LP token has come already. And stay tuned for the proof of liquidity rewards as well. So if you do, make sure to go and claim it. If you do not be part of it, then you're not going to be able to claim anything. But the official announcement has dropped. So if you are, link will be down below to go and claim it. Simply connect your wallet and you are good to go. Next up, I do have a quick reminder. It's not going to be a long video of a bunch of like 9 to 10 airdrops that you can go and claim. The claiming is live. So if you did miss some videos, if you were on holiday, if you were Easter with the family, but somehow you did interact with this protocol before they released the airdrops, make sure to go and claim it. We got Hyperlane, which we did claim. We got Zora, which we did claim. We now have also the Mass Milky Way airdrop, which we did see yesterday. We have Initia airdrop, which we already seen. We got the Babylon airdrop allocation. You can simply check your address by inputting your MetaMask wallet simply over here, and then you're good to go. Go and check it. Then we got the Arkeo airdrop. Simply go and connect your wallet, connect your account, and check for the availability of the airdrop. We have the Stake Stone airdrop as well to go and claim that you only have 7 days left, so this is time sensitive. You got the Mantra airdrop, which you're still able to go and claim it, even though you've seen what's happening with, or what happened with Manta. And then you got the Astonic one to collect to the Plank wallet, which I don't even have to go and claim it. So a few different airdrops to go and check, a few different airdrops to go and claim, and make sure that you go and do them, because some of them, as we've seen, are time sensible. But it's not gonna be a long video. I don't want to waste your time. This is the end of the video. I hope you did enjoy it, and I will see you all in the next one. Ciao guys.